Tilal Al Ghaf. This is the construction update. So as you can see behind here is where they're building the Carrefour hypermarket. So I know I always show you the other way of the road, but here you can see there is the hypermarket being built. And then as we drive along here, sorry, it is a bit of a grey, rainy day, but some of you I know love grey and rain, not me from England. So here's the RGS, the Royal Grammar School, which, as you know, I'm very biased because my own brother went to this school in England. So there's only one school in the world and it's from Surrey. And my brother went to this school and he loved it and he did really well. So this is the RGS. And at the moment, this is the main entrance that we're driving into Tilal Al Ghaf, okay? So here we have it. Okay, so on our right would be very, very soon the start of the Aura townhouses. Okay, so those are to be completed next summer, June 24. And you can see there's already some construction there. Gosh, this video is very dark compared to my normal sunny videos, but it's nice to see all seasons in Dubai as well. So this is the entrance right now into Tilal. Okay, here we have it. So straight ahead and to your left, the white roofs, that is the Elan townhouses. So the handover is imminent. We're very, very excited. Those of you who own an Elan townhouse, you should be getting your handover in the next 8 weeks. And here we have it. We're onto the main entrance, driving into the community here. So on our right, these will be all the Aura townhouses that will be next summer. And on our left, you can see the where they're building the Elan townhouses. So that's the very first phase. The first owners will be moving in very shortly. This is so exciting. So finally we'll have residents. It's been a long time coming. Now have a little sneak peek down through here. That's the construction site. So you can just see how they're doing. You see, you really can't see a lot here, I'm afraid. And then here we have back to the sales center. Thank you so much for watching. Like my video if you liked it, share any comments about this lovely project, and of course subscribe to my channel so you never miss any videos again. Take care, and all the details of this project are always in my description in the bottom video.